Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Crowd. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing of Paintsomeway, one cross stitch and one paint by number. But first, before we start, I want to apologize to everybody. Paintsomeway, all my sponsors and my subscribers. I have been absent the past 2 or 3 months. But I was on critical care in January. As you can see, my body is changed. I was with influenza A and pneumonia. And I was very ill. I was about a whole week into it. They sent me home with oxygen. Right now I'm on oxygen, but I'm doing a series of follow-up. Okay? I'm going to be back slowly but surely. I'm not gonna have the amount of videos that I used to have, and I apologize for being absent. I know we have the community tab that I can keep you up to date, but with the oxygen, I'm being so tired. Without further ado, okay, let's get into it. Paintsomeway is a company, a budget-friendly company. I forgot to find you the information, but they so I found the information on Paintsomeway. They have a March sale, buy 3 get 1 free is on cap, plus 5% off. You use the code PSW05. I'm gonna put all that information in the description box. You get free shipping if you order over $49. So right now they have for cross stitch brands like Joy Sunday, Spring, Xiao, Jishu, and Huacan. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing those brands wrong, okay? They have new arrival, new style of diamond paintings. So I'm going to post that information in the description box, okay? So let's get started. Let's get started with a paint by number, okay? Let's get started. And the lights are not helping me because one of my lights is too far away. And I need to... And I cannot put it close because my living room is a mess. No, this is a small apartment, so I'm doing the... We got the... Oh yeah, I wanted to do this one. We got the usual set of brushes. Sorry if I'm a little slow. I'm trying to remember how this is done. Here are the paint. Here is a picture. Let me show you the picture first. Here's a picture of the item that is a paint by number. I wanted to do a, a Japanese Asian style. Paint by number. Here is the paint. God, they have 24. But here are, oh boy, they get all messed up. They get all messed up. Now I can't get it open. Beautiful colors. I don't know why they won't stay in their place. So that's 24 colors, and look at how beautiful they are to create this. Although I don't find it at 24 colors, well, it's sufficient. You got the greens, you got the palettes, you got the blue and the white for the sky. Okay, so it's nice and neat. Now let's go and see it. You love to be out of your thing. I'm sorry, I'm trying to put them back together. So let me put it back in the bag so it won't. So bear with me when I come back. It seems like I forgot how to handle this stuff. So I was doing it fast. I'm sorry the video takes too long. Okay, let's take a look at this. Too bad it doesn't have a this little thing. I'm gonna put it back. Too bad. This is a 50 by 40. Too bad it doesn't have. I'm sorry for the shadows, guys. Until I can fix the light around here again, I'll be doing this. Doesn't have this chart. What I usually do is I take a picture of it, because my printer is not big enough to do a photocopy of this. I wish they will bring the chart, you know, where we can look at it if we make a mistake and it's already painted. So this is it. It has the colors. It's have a color background for ease of view. I can see the small ones. Has quite a bit of a small ones, and some of them has the color red, the number, like in this case. Let me see if I can point it at you. If you can see in there, but still you can see the numbers. You can distinguish the numbers. The canvas is soft. This is soft canvas. It's a landscape type of paint. Boy, I gotta do some paint by numbers, because it just... So here it is. The canvas is soft, and it look like you don't need gesso for this. Although you should, yeah, I should, yeah, because gesso, this is soft, so I don't think I need gesso for this. This is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put it back, but I'm gonna put the foam on it. I'm gonna put the little rubber band. So pardon if you see me struggling a little bit. It's just that, you know, Sometimes illnesses leaves you with no choice. So let me put it aside and let's deal with the cross stitch. The cross stitch is a Joy Sunday. It's a lighthouse. I wanted to collect the lighthouse as possible. 44 by 34. 14 count 2 strands. That's a nice and pretty. It comes with this pack, Ziploc pack. It has the instructions on the back. It tells you how to pull the strand. It has instructions for doing the printed and the unprinted one. It has some tips over here, some notes. Okay, that tells you how many strands for the back stitch. In any case, yes, this one, I believe it has some back stitch. And how to wash it. And over here you have the explanation or sample of the stitches, okay? So I'm going to pull the whole thing so you can see it better. Here it is. That's nice and pretty. There's some back stitch. Pretty place to leave. We're going to take a look at this. This is the short. Apparently the short. Okay, I thought that the pages were stuck. It has like 4 pages. Here it is. Remember, the symbols in the chart are not the same in the fabric. Okay. And over here we got 36 color full stitch, 2 back stitch, and 1 French knot. Now, depending where the French knot is, I put a bead on it. I'm looking for that French knot. It's right here. That's the only round that I see. Yeah, it has some back stitch, but it's not that many. It has 2 colors back stitch. Actually, it's 37 in total, because the 37 is for the back stitch and the French knot. But the full stitch is 36. So let's take a look at the fabric. And then we take a look at the... It's a 44 by 34. Yeah. And it's not that big. You can look at this. It's not that big. The fabric is stiff. It's serged all around, so you won't have problem when stitching. It won't frayed when you stitch. It has the product number, product code, and product name, like House 7. It's 199 stitches wide by 145 stitches high. Okay, and you have the symbols that you should go by on the fabric. Okay, remember not to put water or anything on it that might damage, like right now that I'm drinking this Diet Coke. That I might, because if water of any liquid is a spill over here, it's gonna smudge it, okay? That's a nice lighthouse with a birdhouse, I believe, or a lamp. I can see the little boat over here and the butterfly. I think this is another butterfly too. And the rest are the 3. The symbols are very clear. There is no smudging. Okay. There is no smudging of the fabric of the colors. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Very understanding. Quite a bit of a block. But there is some confetti, but it's nothing that is so overwhelming that you cannot do it. Okay? So let's get to the we have the 2 needles, which is very common on Joy Sunday. Well, it's a hallmark of Joy Sunday. And let's take a look at this. Come on, these cards. There is not that many, even though there is 36 colors. They are not let me get you closer a little bit. There is not that many thick strands. Okay, appropriate for now for the spring. I haven't done a winter or a spring. Well, you guys have spent almost all winter either in the hospital or with oxygen at home. I still have the oxygen machine because the doctor is waiting for the CT scan results. So here are the beautiful colors, all of them together. Beautiful spring, shiny threads. Beautiful spring colors. I forgot to tell you, this is a partial. This is not a full one. Okay, this is not a full. It's a partial. This you don't cross stitch it. Okay, so folks, this is it for today's unboxing. Sorry for any blunders, sorry for the light. I'm trying to get back on my feet. It's gonna be a slow process. Even my voice changed. God. And well, you never know. I'm resilient. I'm trying to become resilient, although sometimes, because when you compare the life that I had with what's going on right now, there's a reason for me to get depressed. But I give you more information in a special video that I'm gonna make, okay? So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend. Take care, get vaccinated, because I got the pneumonia and the influenza A. I cannot take the influenza vaccine because of a preservative in there. And but I did have the pneumococcal vaccine. So even with that, so you know, but at least it got delayed. So thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. It's the most important thing that I can let you know right now. And have a wonderful week. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you from Mickey too. Bye.